I am Dr. Aditya Kumar Singh, Director and Unit Head, Cardiothoracic and Vascular Surgery, Max Smart Super Specialty Hospital, Saket, New Delhi. I'll be talking about aortic dissection, an emergency of the heart which, if not treated within a few hours, the patient may die. Aortic dissection is a serious medical condition where the inner layers of the aorta tears, causing blood to flow between the layers of the aortic valve. Aortic dissection occurs when there is a tear in the intimal layer of the aorta, allowing blood to enter the medial layer. This can lead to aortic rupture, organ failure, and eventually death. Aortic dissection are of mainly two types. Type A dissection, which involves the ascending aorta, which is part of the aorta which arises from the heart and supplies the blood to all of the body. If the dissection happens in this area, it is more common and more life-threatening and is often treated with surgery. Type B dissection involves the descending aorta, which is the part of the aorta after the blood vessels to the hand has taken off, and it supplies the vessel to the abdomen and lower legs. This type is mostly managed with medical treatment and drugs, and surgery may be needed in very few cases only. Aortic dissection is caused by hypertension, genetic disorders like Marfan syndrome, or trauma. Symptoms include sudden severe chest pain, often described as tearing or gripping. Pain radiating to his back is very specific for aortic dissection. Shortness of breath, loss of consciousness or fainting if the cerebral vessels are involved, and weakness and numbness of lower legs. There can be abdominal pain or tenderness if the abdominal vessels are involved, and there can be difficulty in speaking when there is a involvement of the arch and recurrent laryngeal nerve is involved. If there are any of these symptoms, then aortic dissection should be suspected and evaluated urgently. Type A aortic dissection is treated with Bentall surgery. Bentall surgery is a complex procedure that involves replacing the aortic root, ascending aorta, with a composite graft. The graft usually includes a mechanical valve or a bioprosthetic valve depending upon the age of the patient. The surgeon reattaches the coronary arteries to the graft, ensuring blood flow to the heart. Bentall surgery is used to treat type A aortic dissection involving the ascending aorta and arch of aorta. Bentall surgery can be life-saving but is a complex procedure which carries risk including bleeding, stroke and infection. After Bentall surgery, patient requires close monitoring and follow-up care. With successful surgery, patients can experience improved quality of life and reduced risk of complications. Aortic dissection is a serious condition that requires prompt medical attention.